Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to resize the taskbar on Windows 10 or 11. This process involves using the Windows Registry Editor, so please follow the steps carefully. First, you need to open the Registry Editor. To do that, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Regedit, which is spelled R-E-G-E-D-I-T. When you see Registry Editor appear in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Before we start editing the registry, it's a good idea to create a backup. This way, if anything goes wrong, you can restore your system to its previous state. To create a backup, click on File at the top left of the Registry Editor window, then select Export. In the File Name field, type in today's date so you'll remember when you made the backup. Set the export range to All, then save the file to a location where you can easily find it later. If you ever need to restore the registry, you can go back to this file, click on File, then Import and select your backup. Now that we've created a backup, we can start making changes. In the Registry Editor, you'll see a list of folders on the left-hand side. First, double-click on the folder called HKey_current_user to expand it. Next, double-click on the Software folder. Then, scroll down and double-click on the Microsoft folder. Within this folder, find and double-click on the Windows folder, and then do the same for the Current Version folder. After that, double-click on the Explorer folder. Now you should see an Advanced folder within Explorer. Double-click on Advanced to open it. On the right side of the window, you'll see a list of items. We're looking for an item called Taskbar SI. If you don't see it, don't worry. We'll create it. To do that, right-click on a blank area in this window, hover over New, and then click on Dward 32-bit value. Name this new value Taskbar SI with a capital T and S with no spaces. After naming it, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Then, double-click on the Taskbar SI value you just created. A small window will pop up where you can change the value data. The value you enter here will determine the size of your taskbar. If you want a smaller taskbar, type 0. If you prefer the default size, type 1. For a larger taskbar, type 2. Once you've made your selection, make sure the base option is set to decimal, and then click OK. Now that you've made your changes, you'll need to restart your computer for them to take effect. Close out of the Registry Editor and then restart your computer. When your computer starts up again, you'll see that your taskbar has been resized according to the value you entered. If you ever want to undo this change, simply go back to the taskbar SI value in the Registry Editor and delete it, or set the value back to 1 for the default size. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.